to death. Mark Jennings, 3 National News.
Police weren't impressed to see this, a man in a pitifully small rowboat fighting the full fury of Cyclone Drena to save a yacht from certain disaster. He didn't own the boat, but saw it drifting towards the breakwater on Tamaki Drive and began a hopeless mission to rescue it. He finally took the advice of the police and abandoned ship. A small crowd braved the elements to watch him make his escape. Timing the surge of the water just right, he scrambled ashore. As night fell, Drena came within 200 kilometres of Auckland's coast and delivered a severe lashing of wind and rain to the city. Tamaki Drive was soon awash and closed to traffic. The yacht Careen was by then a lost cause. It was an expensive afternoon for some unlucky yachties. Earlier yesterday afternoon, in almost the same spot, this trimaran came to grief. The boiling seas made short work of it, and by the time the owner arrived to pick over what was left later that night, all he could do was muse about the phone call he got from the police.
Have we got a yellow trimaran, and would we come up and try to identify it? Yeah.
And what did you think when you saw it?
Saw what?
Winds around Auckland averaged more than 100 kilometres an hour last night, which meant the usual problems with roofing iron. Small trees were broken by the gales, causing a spate of minor accidents, and led to a night of furious activity for the fire service. The police weren't immune to the winds either, and even travelling by public transport came with a risk last night. Combined with pouring rain, driving became an almost impossible experience in parts of Auckland. The most successful travellers were the slowest, but also the wettest. It's too early to put a price tag on Cyclone Drena's blast through Auckland, but the expensive-looking debris floating around in the harbour today suggests it was a multi-million-dollar storm. The Met Service says the worst is now over, but parts of Canterbury, where it hasn't rained for 2 months, are now in for a soaking.
It will lose some of its sting for a while, but should deepen again as it moves off to the east of Canterbury. So we're looking for some more heavyish rain in the Kaikoura ranges, ranges of North Canterbury.
At the moment, Drena's off the Kapiti coast just north of Wellington. The capital's expected to escape with comparatively light winds and rain as it passes through Cook Strait. The next place in line for a hammering is coastal Canterbury and Banks Peninsula. Paul Allen, 3 National News.